Mint leaves, with their refreshing aroma and vibrant green hue, have been cherished for centuries not only for their culinary contributions but also for their remarkable health and wellness benefits. Whether it's the zingy flavor they add to dishes or the soothing properties they possess, mint leaves have earned their place as a versatile herb with a plethora of advantages. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the top 7 benefits and uses of mint leaves that make them a must-have addition to your kitchen garden and daily life. 1. Digestive. Mint leaves have long been celebrated for their digestive properties. The menthol in mint leaves helps to relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, thereby easing indigestion and reducing flatulence. A cup of mint tea post-meal can aid in promoting healthy digestion and soothing an upset stomach. Additionally, mint's ability to stimulate bile secretion can contribute to improved digestion of fats. 2. Freshens Breath. Mint's distinctive flavor isn't just for taste, it's also an exceptional natural breath freshener. Chewing on a few mint leaves can quickly neutralize bad breath and leave your mouth feeling revitalized. This is why mint is a common ingredient in chewing gums, mouthwashes, and toothpaste. The antimicrobial properties of mint further help to combat the bacteria that cause bad breath. 3. Stress relief. The aroma of mint leaves isn't just pleasing to the senses, it can also have a calming effect on the mind. Inhaling the scent of mint can help reduce stress and anxiety. The cooling sensation produced by menthol can soothe the nerves, providing a sense of relaxation. Incorporating mint essential oil into aromatherapy practices or using mint-infused products can provide a quick and effective way to unwind after a long day. 4. Respiratory support. Mint's menthol content lends it potent decongestant properties. Inhaling steam infused with mint leaves can help alleviate nasal congestion and clear airways. Furthermore, mint's antibacterial qualities can assist in combating respiratory infections. The combination of menthol's soothing effect and mint's antimicrobial action can provide much-needed relief during cold and flu seasons. 5. Skin soother. Mint's cooling and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent ingredient for skin care. Mint leaves can be used to create soothing facial masks, toners, and creams. They can help reduce redness, irritation, and acne, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The natural antioxidants present in mint also contribute to maintaining a healthy and youthful complexion. 6. Natural Energizer. The invigorating scent of mint can boost alertness and mental clarity. Many people rely on the scent of mint to overcome feelings of fatigue and mental fog. Whether it's a whiff of freshly crushed mint leaves or a cup of mint tea, this herb can provide a natural energy boost without the need for caffeine or artificial stimulants. 7. Culinary Delights. Beyond their medicinal uses, mint leaves are cherished for their culinary contributions. From garnishing savory dishes to adding a refreshing twist to desserts and beverages. Mint's versatile flavor profile enhances a wide range of culinary creations. Mint leaves are also used to make syrups, sauces, and marinades, adding depth and complexity to dishes. Moreover, their vibrant color adds an aesthetic appeal to dishes, making them visually appealing. In conclusion, the benefits and uses of mint leaves extend far beyond their culinary applications. From aiding digestion and freshening breath to providing stress relief and skin care benefits, mint leaves have proven themselves as a powerhouse of health and wellness advantages. Whether you're sipping on mint tea, incorporating mint into your skincare routine, or using mint leaves to add flavor and vibrancy to your dishes, this versatile herb undoubtedly deserves its place in both your garden and your daily life. So, go ahead and embrace the delightful benefits of mint leaves. Your body, mind, and taste buds will thank you.